this video, I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech in CapCut. So text-to-speech is a great way to go and create audio for your video without needing to use your actual voice. So to do this, we need to click on text in the top navigation and then go and drag this default text over to your timeline. Now you just need to type out what you want your text-to-speech to say. Now don't worry, as we can delete the text once we've created the audio clip. So I'm just going to type in hello everyone, for example. And if you want to keep your text once you've made your audio, then you can go and customize this by adjusting things like the color and the size. But if you're just going to be deleting this text anyway, then we can leave it as the default. Once you've entered your text, click on text to speech in the top navigation, and then just go and select from one of these voices. You can preview each of the voices just by clicking on it, and that's going to play a preview of what this voice sounds like. Now, some of these voices are free and other voices you'll need to pay for in CapCut Premium. So I'm just going to pick one of these free ones and click on Generate Speech. Once you've generated your audio track, you'll be able to see it at the bottom down here. Now, if you did want to go and delete your text, you can do so just by right-clicking on it and clicking on Delete. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.